Hello, I've got a bit of a game for you to play. You need a piece of paper. It doesn't have to be a big piece of paper like this. It could be smaller, could be square. This is a rectangle. I'm going to fold my piece of paper in half, and then in half again. I'm really pressing down so you get lots of nice creases. And fold it that way too. Oh, really press it down. I'm going to fold it this way. It's just so that I can get lines on the paper, like that. I put it up and you can see there are lots of little rectangles, lots of little squares all over it. And on the other side, I've drawn the lines on so you can see better. Okay? Now, got all these spaces and I've got two pens. I've got this black pen and this red pen. And the red pen I'm going to use to draw circles. I'm going to draw 2 circles on my grid. So that's what it is, it's a beat grid. I'm going to draw one here, nice and big. I'll draw one over here, nice and big. Just going to put that down. Now, with my darker pen, I'm going to draw 2 crosses. Where can I put them? I'm going to put one there, nice and big, and I'm going to put one here. Now, I'm going to choose some sounds for my grid. Where there's an empty space, I'm going to go shh. Where there's a cross, I'm going to go no. And where there's a circle, I think I'll go ooh, because that's the shape my mouth will make, ooh. Okay, ready, steady, off I go. Shh, 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 ooh, no, shh, 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 ooh, no, shh, 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 shh. I got to the end. What happens if I turn it round? Suddenly, I've got an ooh at the beginning. Let's see how it sounds this time. Ready, steady, off I go. Ooh, shh, 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 no, shh, 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 ooh, shh, shh, no, shh, shh. I could choose any sounds for these shapes. Maybe I could add other shapes in, put little squares in, or stars, or smiley faces, and choose different sounds for them. I could get somebody else to make the sounds with me. I could start here, and a friend could start down here. You could make a bigger beat grid out of a bigger piece of paper. See what you can do with that idea.